Okay, here we are. Okay, let's get rid of the memes. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. It's alright. Okay. Camera 1, camera, microscope here. Okay, let me just swap this around. Okay, here we are. No, I'm too loud, I guess. One sec. I hope this doesn't break anything here. I'm still loud enough, right? I think that's good. For some reason, for like video conferences, I need to ramp up. I mean, I would have like, I need to have a multicam stream here, because this one I need for the stuff, and maybe another one pointing at my face, being like in the left of the stream or something. Anyway, what do I want to do today? So I bought some parts. I got totally ripped off on these because I just bought like little quantities. But anyway, I got a couple of really strong like PC fans here. To show you how strong, maybe I can zoom in on this microscope. There we go. Let me get that sharp. That's like NIDAC 1.4 amps, max 1.54 amps. Pretty strong ones. I mean, we can, I think I can test this. Let me check if I have some current here. Where's my fan thingy here? Let's just plug this in just for demonstration. Let me just, wait, it's not even on yet, right? Okay. So I got a power supply here with this one. Is this on? No. Okay. I got this power supply with this one. I'm sort of confused about these cables here. So this is, I don't know. I think the colors are all weird. Like this should be all right. If I just plug this in, I hope nothing will burn now. I'm just. There we go. It's pretty fucking loud. Pretty good. I'm kind of wondering, why did my fucking light flicker on this? It's like I'm getting this power from the other room, just in case I short circuit something. Kind of wondering what happened. But anyway, it took a while until the current flowed. Anyway, these are pretty strong fans. So what I had in mind since a couple of days already is, since I'm doing some soldering and whatnot, and I don't have a fume extractor yet, what if I could just sandwich these together and like in between put some I don't know what you call this, but active coal or whatever sheets in between, to kind of suck up the fumes. And in between I would like get some of these foam pads, I guess. Yeah, like you use these for like your oh my god, what is Dunstabzugshaube in English? Like if you cook, there's this kind of device on top to extract the like cooking steam and whatnot. Anyway, that's Dunstabzugshaube in German. My god, I need a beer. Anyway, here we got some grills. We need those because otherwise it would grind on the fan. Like there's no clearance between those. So this thing will give us clearance hopefully, and I hope nothing will grind it. I think it will be good. So just slightly off color, I'm gonna put the very black one to the front, and these ones are gonna be hidden anyway. So I'm gonna put these like in there. I got these anyway, these like 120 millimeter screws. I didn't measure any of this yet. I just had it in my mind. We have some washers to help us out, getting the like distances right and whatnot, and a couple of how do you call these, nuts. Yeah, so guess that's sort of it. That's what I had in mind today. Guess we can start. I will also have to already cut out my piece of that foam thingy. Where did I put those scissors? I just had them a minute ago. Cleaning up for stream. Oops. I'll just put them somewhere. Come on. Meh, I found some other ones. Some larger ones even better, I guess. So let's start by cutting out this foam. Put everything to the side for now. And get like one of these, like those are 120mm fans. Just get one. Like I want these to be maybe slightly smaller. I'm not sure. Like I don't want them to kind of stick out too much. I might kind of tape this all around with some black tape to help the seal, to help with sealing. Anyway, let's cut out like pretty much 120mm here. Let's not try to cut the cable here. Maybe just it's smarter to do it like this, so something like that. And we can always cut some more. I'm gonna be a bit generous. Can always get these a bit smaller. Oh yeah, what I forgot to mention is why don't I buy some finished, some off-the-shelf fume extractor for like $50 or something. This will serve another purpose. I have this microscope here, and currently it's sitting on some CD case. When I put this together, I have some flat surface on top, and I can put this on, right? And I can do soldering here, and it's gonna extract the fumes. It's gonna be real handy. I think it's already like this idea pretty much. So that's why I don't want some off-the-shelf thingy, which will be any any shape that I don't want or need. So that's why I'm building this like DIY style. Anyway, get these like huge bolts. Already put some nuts there. They didn't go in nicely. I had to like kind of apply some force. These like threads are not well made, to be honest. Okay. So I guess I need to cut another one first. Why did I stop there? Talking too much. Ugh. Guess I can just keep on going. But how are you doing, Jappy? Hope you've been holding up. Any changes with business and so on? Work? Warzone, is that Call of Duty? Isn't that EA shit? Okay, now I got two. So two I think will be enough. I could have a choice to do like 4, one in the front, but it's gonna be like ugly as fuck. So I think like 2 is gonna be 2 in between sandwiched is gonna be all right. 3 surgeon. Ah, yeah, right. You told, I think. So I can have cable stick out here. Just wondering if they are like all the same part number. They're kind of not. I bought them used, so those are some used fans from eBay. They're not exactly the same, but I think mostly it's not gonna matter. I think. Oh yeah, but I forgot to mention. Where's this other device? Oh yeah, I have this like distributor thingy that will distribute 12 volts to all these fans, just like this. I like this microscope. This Chinese microscope is awesome. 40 bucks. Let me just open the window. It's kind of getting hot for some reason. Maybe it's my PC. Okay, anyway, that's for later. Okay, I guess we can sandwich. Let's see if those bolts go through nicely. Just thinking. Let's just take this one first. So as far as I heard, like this, like for if you kind of have this as a like steam extractor or whatever, I think the manual said white side in like on the giving side more or less. So see how this works. Can I stick this fluid? Well, I need something pointy. I'm just taking my tweezers here. Just giving it a hole roughly to guide the screws, right? See if that works. Okay. Come on, shit. That didn't help much. I just gotta do a little more here. Call of Duty, man. I'm never gonna play EA games, to be honest. It's a shitty company. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Okay. Now you can always trim these this foam afterwards. Did I? Yeah, I forgot the kind of. What did you call it? Grill? Yeah, grill. So let's try the diagonal side. Give it some determined position. God. There we go. Okay, I got 2 of these. I guess I'm gonna say these 2 are. No, let's go for all of them actually. Might be difficult moving this foam around later on. There you go, 3rd one. And 4th one, here we go. Then, next one, next kind of fan. With another grill. Oh, fuck my life. I don't want the grill. I want this to be 90 degrees flipped. It's just something I'm set on. I was set on early on. Come on, get out. And I can't just turn this because I want the cables to be on my right here. Give me just a sec here. I mean, didn't Activision and EA like Fusion or something? I kind of don't give a damn, but something happened there, right? So, come on. Oh, here we go, right? Okay. That's one. That's two. Okay, diagonal. Did it right the first time. No, it's mechanically defined, or whatever you call it. At least something like that we would call it in German. There we go. 3. Yeah, I mean, if I have put that much effort into building something like this, I want it to be just as I imagined. Okay, there we go. Now everything's perfect. So the grill looks like this. Cable on the right. Okay, next stack. So here's the next grill. It's gonna push this together nicely and give us some clearance to the next fan. Else, I already tried this a bit. Else this foam will definitely grind on the front of this one because there's like no clearance whatsoever, as you can see on the potato cam. Okay, same thing here. Cable here and stack. Get rid of these nuts. So yeah, I got pretty ripped off on these bolts. I paid €2 a piece for these because I basically just ordered 4 of them just for this sake. Obviously, I'm gonna get not a good value on these, but I just want to build this no matter the cost. Looks good. That's like pretty dense. I think I won't even need much of like maybe there's a bit of gap in between, so I can still go like cut this foam a bit back and put some black tape around it just to have a seal so it doesn't leak. Yeah, that was a beefy, like as I said, 120 times 120 times 38, I think. So the last one is, I'm gonna see, I'm probably not gonna even need those washers because the last fan I'm gonna probably bolt down here. But anyway, need to punch some holes again. So just taking my tweezers here again, getting in there, twisting a bit to have some. Those are the right tools for the job, right? These were made for this. But yeah, as you maybe heard earlier, like these fans go crazy. They go like to 4,000 to 5,000 RPM or something. They're probably overkill. Maybe 12 volts is also gonna be too loud. I somewhere have a PWM board, where I could kind of probably just control the fan speed, but I can't find it for fuck's sake. But not too bad. It's just on top. I can just cable it around. It's not gonna. I'm not gonna need to disassemble or anything. Looking good so far. Go here. Last one. There we go. Now for the last fan. Cable around. Here. And grill. Did I put the grill? Like, it's really not visible. That's how perfectionist I am. Right. Okay, this one is correct as well. Even though they are inside all hidden, I care how they look. That's how much of a perfectionist I am. Okay, sandwich. Okay, as you can see, this thread ends. So after all, I'm gonna need those washers anyway to have some distance. So these washers are 0.5 millimeters, I think. So I don't know. I'm just gonna put like 4 of these or so. Let's see. I'm gonna need quite many. Good thing I bought 100. Yeah, this is a pretty good idea, honestly. I'm liking it. Yeah, it's gonna be quite some washers if I push this through. See? It's like, I don't know, half a centimeter or so. I'm gonna need 10 of these or something. Let's just stack a couple. Let's put it like this, maybe. One, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I got enough of these. I'm just gonna put 10, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, and nut. Oh, it's like I'm turning the whole thing. Oh, these fucking bolts. Yeah, these fucking bolts are bad. I had my trouble getting those on there earlier. Those threads are not cut nicely. I mean, those are also just M4 threads. So it's very finicky already. I might need some kind of... this is a bad thread to start. I'm gonna just go around for another one for now. So 1, 2, 3. But what do you think about the idea of this DIY? How many are we here? 5. This DIY fume extractor. 6, I guess. 7, 8, 9. It's cool, right? 10. Now, will this not go in? Play nice. Okay, this will play nice. Just need to hold. I don't even think I have the tools. I don't have a wrench for these small. Yeah, I mean, better overkill. Like, I don't want to breathe any of that shit. Like, some things, like, I don't know. This one is some pretty shit solder. It's like some no clean. Does it say no clean somewhere? I think it said it somewhere. But anyway, yeah, it's like it doesn't have any like safety instructions or anything like hazards written on it, but I don't buy it. Like, better safe than sorry. And then, I mean, there's stuff that can give you cancer and whatnot, and I ordered some stuff from China, and they say it's like all it's like all safe and good, but yeah, I'm not trusting any of that. Well, kind of screwed that down a bit too much. I need to apply some force later, so I still have freedom. Okay. So yeah, this is some pretty shit. No clean. Like, you have the like flux effect for like 3 seconds, and then it's all vapor. So I bought some solder, some more like pasty thing. Like, this is pretty, as you can see, it's pretty fluid, so it's gonna evaporate very quickly when you apply some heat. Come on. Didn't even count how many are this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will this not go in there? Oh yeah, so about PlayStation 1 you asked. So I once said a couple of weeks ago that I considered doing a mod chip installation, but that is somewhat not needed anymore. Someone found a pretty nice exploit where you can fire up Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2, load a like not corrupted, but tinkered with save game, and that's gonna start an exploit where you can swap discs and you can play any game you want, burned, like copied CDR. It's pretty amazing. It's 5. You can at 6 watch like Modern Vintage Gamers video on that from a couple of days ago. It's pretty recent. That's 8, 9. Yeah, I guess it's a bit tedious. I guess you need to boot into the game, load it. I mean, it's gonna be 20 seconds or so. Maybe half a minute. Okay, there we go. We got just one of these bolts cucking us. But I mean, it's pretty good. You can now kind of, you don't need to do any mods. You can straight from you can get any PlayStation there is, any model. You don't need to tinker by opening it or anything. You can just open it up. You can just fire up Tony Hawk's with a tinkered save game, and you can play any game you want, and you can start some homebrew for like tinkering. Anyway, where's that? Oh, here we are. Oh. Come on. Emulation, I don't know. Not the biggest fan. Come on. This guy. I might need to get some tool for this, but I'm gonna try another one. Maybe they're not this bad. I don't know. mean, I bought it for eBay, so who knows what quality these are. It's like pretty straight, so I don't know. The thread is probably just not made very nicely. So let me see here. So all the other ones are somewhat nice. So I'm gonna just try to get some flathead. Does this work? Okay, that works to hold this. I'm gonna get some tool. One sec. And a beer, obviously, because we're almost finished. I'll take a sip here. Some games, which games? So, cheers guys, cheers. Bier und das Helle. I kind of like, I don't know what they call helles beer in English. Like it means bright beer, so it's not as strong. I don't know. I don't like strong beers with like this aftertaste. The Nordic folks more like, or like North Germany, they drink it a lot. So what side in? Oh, that's wrong. Oh yeah, other way around. So I'm just holding this with this flat head. And then get past this first couple of threads and then we Gucci, right? I can't hold it. Erdinger Weissbier. Weissbier, is it Weissbier or is it kind of other normal beer they have? Oh, okay, there we go. Like Weissbier is usually Weizen, wheat beer. Is it wheat beer? Do you know what wheat beer is? It might also all be like some German only thing. I don't know if any other people drink wheat beer. Some find it pretty disgusting. So almost finished with this. It's pretty good. So just screwing this down somewhat hand tight. There's no more need, like this is an M4 screw. These things can break anytime if you apply too much force with tools. Back in mechanical engineering I learned mechanical engineering stuff starts at M6 usually, where you work with proper stuff. Weissbier, yeah, I'm not a big fan of Weissbier, I like Weizen. Okay, almost done here. Need to screw these like alternately in here. But yeah, it usually gets served in those large glasses, and there's a lot of bubbly in there. That's why I can't really drink them out of the bottle. Very much bubbly. Okay, I guess we're good enough here. This looks tight on all corners. Okay, here we are. We got a fume extractor. Let's plug it in, see what happens. So maybe I'm gonna be really careful. Like, I don't know how this power supply reacts if this thing turns on. If these 3 huge fans, like, this is a crap power supply. It's from some 90s PC. What does it rate for? It says plus 12 volts at 10 amps. I guess we're gonna almost reach that when it turns on. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, where's my... It's gonna be noisy as fuck, yes. So step 2 would be getting a PWM knob, you know, to control this. So let's plug this in and distribute. 1, 2. Okay, we are all set. Will this be the last moment of this power supply? I hope not. Okay, it's off. And turn it on and then turn on the like thing here. It's pretty fucking loud, but it works. Yeah, there's a pretty nice pull on this one. Man, I like this. And I just put this microscope on there. Need to do some cable management on here. But then I can technically, with my support, go ahead and solder like this. That's gonna be pretty nice. I like it. This is some nice shit. Awesome. Awesome. I mean, there's a couple of open spots. I might to recut or something. I don't know. And then cut around the outside just so it. Yeah, I should have left a bit more margin on this foam. I might disassemble and reassemble. Yeah, it's a really nice power. Awesome. Yeah, what I was wondering now, I think I don't have this the right setup. I kind of want to measure the amps on this thing, but I don't have anything to safely, you know, cut the. Like, I need to be in between, like in the like power flow. I can't just measure around like voltage. For amp measurements, I need to be like in between. Yeah, it's gonna be now. Should have prepared for this, but I'm gonna maybe on another stream measure the amps on this thing. But yeah, it's gonna be close to what it's rated, I guess, because with this foam there's gonna be some resistance, so it needs to fight against the pressure loss. Yeah, that is my fume extractor now. Awesome. Couple of washes to just get the job done. Oh yeah, just. Oh, I think that was too much. Does this smell? Was this too much for this power supply? Somehow turned off shortly and then turned off. Try again. Oh. I need a better power supply for this one. This one's gone, I think. What if I unplug a couple of these? Just for now have like one going. Yeah, I guess some overpower fuse pops there with all three going. Let's drive 2. Yeah, I bet the current this draws is like very fucking high at the beginning. There's like no resistance. It just draws it as much as it can. Basically, I mean it's basically a short circuit if you will. Like those coils in there, them not having like a magnetic field yet. It's basically just pulling as fast as much as it can in the first. Oh, there we go again. Yeah, judging from the amps, like as I said, it's like it tells me it's like yeah, plus 12 volts. It says like 10 amps for a total of 120 watts. It's probably gonna be very close to that in the first couple of moments turning this on. Try again. Yeah, gone. Is it the power supply that makes this noise? Oh, is this gone for good now? Yeah, I guess power supply is gone now. Does not turn on. Oh, there we are again. Okay. But yeah, I'm probably I need something. I need something else supplying that 12 volts. As you say, it's not gonna hold for long. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty fucking good. So I can just go here. Solder nicely. Some sound pads. Nah, I mean, it's not that loud that the neighbors are gonna be calling the police. So I have a bit of cable management around the back. It doesn't look too shabby, does it? I mean, obviously this microscope, I'm using like an old PC cooler heatsink just for counterweight, and I kind of mounted this the other way around. Works. I have some clearance here. Use some cable. I got enough clearance here to work with. It's pretty good, I think. I wanted to do this for like a couple of weeks, but these components took a while to come here. But pretty how to say okay with this. There's a better word. Zufrieden. Oh my god, English. What is it today? Satisfied. I'm pretty satisfied with this outcome. Just yeah, power supply. I might just maybe with a PWM in between, it's gonna be a bit better. Somewhere I need to find that shitty PWM board. Yeah, not today. I have to search a bit more. But I got some Chinese PWM board where you have just a knob to turn, and then you kind of give pulses to this thing with 12 volts instead of the full thing. But yeah, actually we can do some soldering just for... Let's see if we can get this on again. Okay, there we go. Not this tip is shit, or whatever. Now, why is it only 250? Yeah, this sucks away, look at that. It gets pulled straight up. Wow. There's like nothing coming through. Holy crap. It's amazing. See that? And you see the shitty plugs? It's sort of like all gone, like it doesn't flow anymore. Like, and I need to put some more. Yeah, I need something really thick for flux. That's coming soonish. It's gonna like sustain the heat a lot more than this. Yeah, flux effect is gone. Doesn't flow at all. This is shit flux. Well, yeah. Let me get my shit solder actually. This is good solder. That's my shit solder. And here I got some thicker solder wired on a like fucking pencil. This is a bit thicker. Yeah, but still, if you have good flux, you can kind of move this around. Wow, look at that! That shit's going places at Fume. Awesome! Shit. My table. This is my desk actually. Let's go places here. So this is just some shitty IDE to like SATA to IDE adapter that doesn't even work. Got us from China. Doesn't even work one bit. So just destroying this for like practice purposes. Let's tip this shit. Let me get the good one. Let this cool down. I can let this cool down. Probably next to the from the like wind. Can you guys still hear me good with this thing on? Are you, Jeffy? Ah, still hot. Ah, hurts. Yeah, it's still probably a bit loud. Like other streamers that do soldering on stream, they have some sort of noise cancellation. Okay, some don't like the how they call Voltaire guy. He doesn't turn on his Fume Extractor on stream because it's too loud. But anyway, for soldering I like this tip a lot. Just like bent tip. That way you can kind of go in there real nice and have some heat going in there. Oh wait, fuck. I kind of forget what kind of you kind of need to switch the type of tip. Just letting this cool down again, just so I can read. I mean, I don't even need to. Just pull this out and then that's a JO2 tip. Okay. There we go, 330. Yeah, with some good flux this would flow all over the place. But anyway. Fumes. Gone. Amazing, honestly. Let's try around a bit here. Let's shut it. Look like it vapors all the way. Instantly. See, all gone down here. All gone. Shit flux. But yeah, So far, so good. Put this out. Amazing. Fume Extractor. Do it yourself. Pretty good.